You know, I think sooner or later every wooden gate's going to sag a little bit because it has a lot going against it with the weather as well as gravity. Sooner or later it's going to sag just a little bit. A lot of ways to correct that problem, but I'll tell you the easiest I've found is to drop by the home center and pick up a simple little hardware kit called an anti-sag gate kit. Basically, it's a couple little corner pieces. One attaches to the upper part of the hinge side and the other to the lower side with a steel cable that runs between it, a turnbuckle, and a few little clamps, and you're able to actually adjust the gate and raise it back up to its original level. And then it should stabilize it that way, because over the years, if it does start sagging at all, then you're able just to tighten the turnbuckle up a little bit more. And it works on a small gate like this as well as one as large as 6 foot tall.